All you need is my thumb and my iPhone and you're going to get in there?
Yeah, that's right. We'll take an impression of your fingerprint on this dental mold.
All right, here goes.
What we want to show is that even though the fingerprint sensors are very convenient and it's certainly more secure than just having a pin, the level of technology in these fingerprint sensors is still 10 years old. There's a number of ways to lift a latent print and then make a mold so you can penetrate the phone.
And you're going to get into my phone and my computer with that piece of plate.
That's right.
Wow. Jason, thank you for the demonstration. If you don't mind, I'm going to take this mold and go home and rip this up.